Olive Garden? Really?
Suck me in smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking.
So I'm sitting here looking on the computer and looking on Instagram and Facebook and everything. I'm noticing a lot of people are talking about Olive Garden and special dates and everything. I just don't get it. It's not real, authentic Italian. So I'm going to show you how to make one of their famous dishes, the shrimp scampi, really fast at home at a fraction of the cost of what you're paying to go out, which might even be a more romantic dinner, and actually might even be more authentic if you think about it. So hopefully you like this recipe. Okay, so first step is a little olive oil in the pan. You're gonna put in your shrimp. I'm using 1620. These are Ocean Garden Mexican white. I like white shrimp a little bit better than brown. The different flavor. You're gonna put them down. You're gonna sprinkle a little kosher salt on top. I'm gonna cook them just to sear them on each side, about a minute. Okay, at this point, it's been a minute on each side. Now we're gonna start finishing with our sauce. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, a pinch of chopped garlic, half a lemon, half a teaspoon of paprika, So there you go. Now you see how easy it is for you to make your own shrimp scampi at home. As always, don't forget to hit subscribe. A new video drops every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Until next week. Love you guys. Take it easy. Bye.